Hi guys, how is everything going? It's been a while. Today I want to show you how my garden is doing in July 2023. So a little bit about me. My name is Tian. I'm a home gardener in Portland, Oregon, gardening in zone 8B. This is one of my cut flowers garden beds. So this is, I think, Flamingo celosia. Next to the hibiscus amaranth. This is golden bronze snapdragon. I got the seeds from Johnny Seeds, and they are doing wonderfully. This is my happy ending status. Just really good fillers. Queen lime orange is always one of my favorites, next to the deep red zinnia. Lots of zinnias. I cannot get enough of them. Hibiscus amaranth is doing wonderfully. Now this is my tomato bed. I like to plant marigolds around my tomatoes. They look really pretty and they keep the bugs out. This is my Anaheim pepper. This is one of the sweet pepper varieties. Look at that, it's loaded with peppers right now. They are doing really well. This is Vietnamese enchoy next to onion. They are doing better this year. I think it's time for me to harvest them. This is Persian cucumber, putting out a lot of fruit right now. They are kind of smaller varieties, just like pickled cucumbers, but they are smooth. They don't have the little thorns on the fruit. Okay, now let's go to my hot and spicy pepper bed. So these are Vietnamese and Thai pepper plants. They're supposed to be very hot. And this is the Thai variety, and they are doing really well. Really prolific variety. 100 peppers. I'm really excited to see them turning red, so I can taste the flavor. Hopefully it's hot. This is my bitter melon plant. They are doing so well this year. I don't have to do much. I just put them down and they just grow. Just do that thing, So many fruit. And this is just July, so I still have 2 more months to go. So lot more fruit. This is my 2 years echinopsis. I started them from seeds. They're doing really good. The bees love them. Let me show you my dahlia patch. This is Stolz von Berlin from Eden Brothers. This is Peaches and Cream dahlias, also from Eden Brothers. They're so beautiful. I got myself 2 new planters from Amazon. They are $50 each, and they worked great. So I put in some Tabasco flower, snapdragon, green amaranth. Something about it looks so romantic. It looks like jewelry when you put in your bouquet. Everything is doing so great in these planters. My dill are doing so good this year. Alright, that's it for my garden this year in July. Thank you so much for watching.